Hey, what's up? This is St. Joe, MachineTutorials.com. Here with a really quick video on the 2.12 update. I know a lot of people are excited about the clips, which is a cool feature, but for those of you that still use the patterns and the scenes and everything like that, they added some new functionality that makes it a little bit easier to manage those directly from the hardware controller. So let's say if we go in here to patterns, and we see our patterns, normal, you're used to that, but if you hit shift, you get the option up here that says move, and now you can actually move your patterns directly from the hardware, which is super dope. I thought it was great when they added that for the pads and the groups. Now you have it for patterns, but also if I go into Arranger, and we're in song mode right now, so this is going to be for your sections. So if you're in song mode and you press scene and now you press shift, you can actually move your sections around. So it's the same thing. And also if you're in Arranger and you want to put it on, say, ideas, and you just want to deal directly with your scenes, if you hold scenes, press shift, now you can move your scenes around directly from the hardware, which again makes it just a little bit easier to set up your arrangement or just how your project is laid out directly from the hardware controller. This actually works on the Mark III, the Machine Plus, and the Studio. If you got questions, let me know. This is St. Joe, MachineTutorials.com. Peace.